Thanks for spending just a minute thinking about God's truth with me today. Today we focus on the truth of Colossians 3:8. God calls us to live a holy life. As he tells us in 1 Peter, "But as he who called you is holy, you also be holy in all your conduct." To be holy is to be set apart for God, to be consecrated to him. It follows then that when we surrender our lives to Jesus and follow him, we must examine ourselves to see if we are truly living as God has called us to live. Our behavior has to agree with our belief. And Colossians 3:8 digs deep into what needs to change in us when it says, "But now you must put them all away. Anger, wrath, malice, slander, and obscene talk from your mouth." It's time to start the clock and break it down. So let's define this list. Anger is that strong feeling of annoyance or hostility towards someone. Anger is an emotion we hold on to inside. We burn up inside with anger. And God says to us, get rid of anger. Wrath is very similar to anger with one exception. While anger is about attitude, wrath is about action. Wrath blows up at people. God says to us, get rid of wrath. And malice. Malice is that intention or desire to do evil. God says put malice away. And next is slander. Slander deals with what we say about others. When we tell lies intending to damage a person's reputation, we slander them. God says no more. And lastly, obscene talk. It matters to God what comes out of our mouths. No filthy language allowed. We are called to be holy, not filthy. So the Bible just says, put these things away. No psychiatrist is mentioned. No drugs are discussed. Just put these things away. How? God is and always has been our primary healer. Through his indwelling Holy Spirit, the Lord is more than able to give us the strength to eliminate everything on this list. We ask him for his strength. We yield our lives to him on a moment-by-moment basis. He is able. Thoughts and comments are welcome below, and please remember to share this verse with a friend and think about this today. Our belief is demonstrated through our behavior. We as followers of Jesus must be completely committed to eliminating these attitudes and behaviors from our lives. Serve him well today. God bless you.